Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do you keep a cake moist after baking? Well, the key is to keep the air from getting to your cake and drying it out. Icing your cake is an easy and delicious way to seal in your cake's moisture. Using an airtight container is the best and easiest way to keep your cake from getting exposed to air. How do you make cakes rise and fluffy? Most cakes will call for a leavening agent like baking powder or baking soda. These create the bubbles you need for the cake to rise. If the flour you use is self-raising, it already has a leavening agent in it. Make sure your butter is room temperature, and beat the butter and sugar together until properly creamed.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.